y'all, welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year! We made it into 2019. You are so blessed just to have lived to have seen another year. There are so many people who did not make it to see this year, so I am so grateful, and I hope that you are as well. 2018 was such a blessed year for me, and I do have to say thank you to all of you all. You are like my family, and I say that a lot, but it's so true. You all just rallied around me, subscribing, liking, commenting. I just really appreciate having this platform, and I don't take it for granted. I feel so honored to be able to be on your screen. If you're watching on your phone or on your computer, just for you to have clicked on this video, I feel so blessed. So this video is going to be a little different. I usually show you all an outfit, just one at the end of my video, but this one is going to be one where we do a 2-in-1, where I show you all how I install this bomb unit from YSwigs. I'm going to show you all the whole process, how I got it to look the way that it looks currently and everything, so don't you worry. And I'm also going to give you all some outfits that would look so beautiful with this hair. So it's going to be a 2-in-1. I'm going to show you all the install and also four or maybe 5 outfits that would look great with this look. Now, before we get into the installation process and everything, I do want to share with you all a declaration that Gerard and I actually wrote last year, and we say it every night before we go to bed. It's kind of like our way of declaring what our year will look like, and just our hopes and dreams and aspirations, and just putting those out into the universe and allowing God to go to work with those things. And we saw some great things happen last year, and we're believing God to do even more this year. This year, our word is harvest, and we're believing that everything that we've sown last year, whether it been hard work, whether it been tears, some of us have gone through a great deal last year, and we just believe that we're going to harvest what we have sown. So everything that we've sown last year, God is going to allow us to harvest it. We're going to be able to lay hold of it with our hands and with our eyes. So I want to share that declaration with you guys, and then we're going to get into the video. So let's go for it. So this is what it says. 2019 is our year of harvest. What we have sown in tears in 2018, we will reap in joy. There will be a harvest of good things, abundance, blessings, divine connections, and favor. People will go out of their way to be good to us. This will be a year of birthing quickly. We'll experience enlarged territory and increase like never before. We will be spiritually and physically fit. This will be our best year yet. If you're with me, say amen. All right, let's get into this video, guys. I'm so excited.
Alright ladies, so I'm starting with the stocking cap. That's my scalp color. I'm not going to do the ball cap method or the stocking cap method as some of you all may know it. This is what the packaging looks like. I love when companies send their units in a satin bag. It's so great for traveling. Show your beauty. Yes. So this unit is from YSwigs, and I have gotten hair from them in the past, and I really enjoyed it. The type of hair that I'm going to be showing you all today is going to be loose, wavy hair. It looked wonderful coming right out of the package. It didn't have a smell or anything to it, so I was already happy about that. This is a 13x6 lace front construction unit, so that means that it has 6 inches of deep parting space. It has 2 combs on the side and 1 at the bottom. It is also pre-plucked, and I'm going to show you all that now. We're going to get a little closer for y'all. I didn't have to pluck it at all, which is awesome. So time saver, listen here. So now I'm going to show you the parting space. One thing that I look for when I am getting a wig is the parting. When a unit has a 6-inch allowance of parting, I get excited because that gives me more room to play. It also came with baby hair if that's something that you're into. I'm just going to turn it over and we're going to conceal these knots. If you haven't heard of this method, it is so convenient and effective. You just have to spray on this airbrush spray onto the lace, stipple it on with your foundation brush, turn it over, and you'll be good to go. You can later go in with your loose powder just to refine your part, which is what I'm going to show you later on in this video. But after this process, you need to clean up the excess airbrush spray. So that's what I'm doing with the makeup wipe. And then I'm going to continue on with the process. So this is what the parting is looking like. You can now actually see the part so much more. The black knots are also not as pronounced. So I'm just going to use a clip to comb back the hair on the side. And then I'm going to cut off the excess lace in the front. This unit is in a size medium, and when I get a size medium, I like to adjust the straps in the back just so it fits more comfortably. So now I'm going to put the unit on and show you what it looks like before ever laying it down with any form of adhesive. So when you put it on, you want to make sure that both sides are positioned correctly just to make sure that you have a seamless install. So that's what I'm doing currently, and then I'm just going to take my clip off and comb the hair out so that you all can see what it looks like with the part and everything that they had in it. Now, this is not really to my liking. I feel like it looks good, but I like to wear my part on the right side. So I'm gonna shift the part, and I'm gonna show you guys how to flatten out the hair now that it's been shifted, because it's gonna look really bulky after you do that. So I'm just refining the part, and then I'm gonna grab my small water bottle and begin spraying only in the area near the part, because I'm just trying to flatten out that area a bit. So I'm going to spray and then comb it down, and I'm going to do that on the other side of the part and in the back as well. After I've done this, I'm going to grab my mousse. Wow, this unit looks like I've already laid it and everything. It looks so great. So for those who are not about that gel or that glue life, this unit would be a great option for you. You can simply insert the combs or adjust the straps in the back, or even attach an elastic band, which actually came with this unit, and you'd be good to go. You wouldn't have to do all the extra. But I like to secure mine down with the Got2b glue, so I'm just gonna show you all what that process looks like now.
What?
So now that I've used the Got2b glue to secure my unit down, the wig grip really comes in handy. You can use that as a wrap in order to set your unit in place. So I'm just combing back the hair in the front and pulling the wig grip down, and I'm just going to leave this on while I'm curling the hair. The loose curls that the unit comes with look great, but I wanted to make them a little more polished, so I'm going to use my 1.5 barrel curling iron, and I purchased this from the beauty supply store. I'm going to back curl it in order to create larger, more defined curls.
What?
So now that the hair is curled to my liking, I'm just going to finger comb it on both sides and then actually follow it up with a fine tooth comb. I feel like the curls look so much better. And then I'm going to take off the elastic band, and these are the finished results. This unit turned out so nicely. I am loving the texture, and this is virgin Brazilian hair, so it's great quality. As you all can see, I was able to curl it. You can straighten this hair, you can bleach it. And have y'all noticed I've been going for longer lengths? This unit is in length 20. It looks so awesome.
So now that we've gotten the installation process out of the way, I'm going to show you all some awesome outfits that would look killer with this look. The shoes that I'm going to show you guys are all from ShopAkira, and this is a new company that I discovered. I actually showed you all some boots during the Christmas holiday. This is what they look like, or some booties. They are so, so comfortable. I'm not going to show you all an outfit with these because I did show you all what my outfit was during the Christmas holiday, so I'll just insert that clip. The first shoes that I'm going to show you guys and try on with two outfits are going to be these mule clear glass slipper designed shoes. I love, love, love mule shoes. I actually ordered some because I love this design. These are extremely comfortable and so, so classy. I love how pointy the front of the shoe looks. I have a picture that I posted on my Instagram, which I'm going to insert so you guys can see how I styled these shoes this weekend. But yeah, guys, so, so gorgeous. And the heel is not too tall for me. These are so killer. I'm going to be pairing these shoes with the same outfit that I wore this weekend, but I'm going to eliminate the skirt because I did get the skirt dirty this weekend. So I'm just going to put some jeans on with a duster jacket that I got from Boohoo. Many of the items are going to be from Boohoo, the clothing items anyway. So I'm going to pair a duster jacket and also the cami that I got from Shaper Mint. And if you haven't seen my Shaper Mint haul, where have you been? You need to go watch that video. It's great. So this is what that outfit looks like. I think it's so, so great. I'm also going to show you all what these particular shoes look like with this floral jumper that I got from Boohoo, which I think is so gorgeous, and it would be great for a date night. So I'm showing you all a casual look as well as more of a dressy look that you can maybe even wear to a formal event. So these shoes, so awesome. And I am going to leave the links for these particular items down in the description box for you guys, so don't worry. These are the next pair of shoes, and these kind of take me out of my comfort zone a bit because I don't have any shoes that look like these. These have that knee-high sock type feel. These go over the knee and they're so comfortable and perfect for the winter time. The heel is a chunky heel. And it's kind of platform, just a bit. Got a little platform situation here. These are also very comfortable. So I'm going to try these on. And with these particular boots, I decided to do sort of a schoolgirl look, but with a twist. So I hope that you all like that outfit as well. And these last boots are kind of similar to the first boots that I showed you. However, these are faux leather and they come well past the knee. So these are great for those shorter dresses or skirts that you may want to wear, but you want your legs to be covered. And I feel like these almost kind of give a leather pant type look. So I like these a lot. And they are a flat heel, which is very different from what I've normally seen with faux leather or leather knee-high boots. So these are really cool as well. And I'm just pairing these with a snakeskin dress and a little belt that I found on Boohoo. So I hope that you all enjoyed this 2-in-1 video. Let me know if you guys want to see me do more 2-in-1s where I show you all hair. Maybe some of them I'll do hair and makeup, others hair and outfits, or I could do 3-in-1 where I do makeup, hair, and an outfit. So let me know down in the comment section. I look forward to your feedback. I hope that you all enjoyed the declaration that I shared with you guys at the beginning of this video. Be sure to leave your comments and feedback. Check the description box for the link to this hair and also the outfits that I showed you guys. Be sure to subscribe, like this video, share it with a friend. I love you guys. I hope you all have an awesome year. Bye guys.